Allocation rules tell the application how to move costs between cost objects using non-financial data to calculate what costs go where. To view the allocation rules you have, choose the segment with the cost objects you want to review the rules for. Then, choose the cost object you want to view rules for. You will see any existing allocation rules on this page. For each rule, you will have the state, a link to view the rule, the from cost object name, a short description if you've given it one, the active dates, the allocation methodology, the allocation unit, the percent allocated, whether it's active or inactive, and the cost model it applies to. You can approve or delete rules from the card view. You can filter by active status or state at the top. View a list of all of your allocation rules, regardless of cost model, by clicking View All Rules. To create a rule, click Create Allocation Rule. Your cost model will be pre-filled, so select your segment, your from cost object, and give it an optional description. The system will auto-select the active rule status. Next, you'll need to tell the application how you are allocating this cost object. Choose the methodology and then the unit. If you select fixed percent, the allocation unit box will auto-fill with percent. If you select script, you will need to have your system admin configure the rest of the rule. If you select proxy, you will then need to tell us which operational data to use for the rest of the rule. Click Continue to review or create allocations. Remember, the application will create allocations automatically for rules using usage or proxy data, so you will just review what was created. For percentage rules, you will create the allocations by telling the application how much to assign to which cost objects. You can delete an assignment using the trash icon or add more by clicking Add More. The system will calculate the total percentage you've assigned in this box below. In this example, we'll put 50% into compliance training and 50% into policy management. Finally, you can select optional active dates. If you want this rule to run for a set time period, choose the start and end fiscal periods. If you don't, leave this blank and the rule will run until you set it inactive or delete it. Select Save when done, and then you can approve or delete the rules.